This is a case, not just any case, it's my case. Not yours, mine. And in this case I've got batteries. Now this looks scary, but believe me, it's scary. There's 120 of these here. And it's these Liitokala LII 50 amp. Now Liitokala is actually, I think it's Finnish for flying fish. Very apt somewhere, I don't know where. Anyway, these will handle 50 amp burst, but only for about 4 or 5 seconds. It starts off at full voltage, 4 or 5 seconds later and the voltage goes down to about 3 volts. As soon as you let the power off, it'll come back up again. They'll do round about 120 amps constant, 300 amp burst. Sorry, they'll do about 30, no, they'll do 20 amps constant, 50 amps burst. That was the one. Bloody hell, Tony, you can't even get that right. So I've got 120 of these, so what I'm going to do is an 84 volt, which is 20S, and 6 in parallel to give me 350 amps burst, and then I should be able to get round about 100 amps constant. To do 100 amps constant, you're talking round about, well, over 60 mile an hour. And the 300 amp burst, I ain't got the faintest idea what it's going to do, but I'm going to be hanging off it like a bloody chicken hanging off a fly. What? So these are the batteries. I've got to get a spot welder for them because I'm not going to be soldering all of these. Not 120 batteries, it's just going to be ridiculous. And I've decided that version 3 design is going to have the same battery layout as it currently is, but what I'm going to do is split these in half and have one side and one the other side. I'm not sure how it's going to be, but it's going to be removable, so I'll have a handle on the side, you just pull it out and you can take the batteries away with you. So that's that. I've also got, I've lost them, found them. These are my new spokes. I was looking at prices and everything else. If I want to get these made in the UK, it was going to cost me over 100 quid because they have to be anodised black and they have to be carbon steel, and anyway, these come from China and the thread on them is fantastic. They're anodised the same as the ones from the UK would have been. These, I think they're actually sprayed black or powder coated. They might be powder coated black, but the thread and everything else is perfect. They're exactly the right length. The quality is decent. They don't bend at all. Well, they will if you go hard enough. And they were 19 quid. Unbelievable. Why do you have anything manufactured? I mean, if it was in the UK and they were 40 quid, I'd buy them. But, you know, we can't compete. So I've got 40 of these for 19 quid. 40 for 19 quid. I couldn't even buy any standard crappy chrome ones for that money. So they're going on the bike as well when I've done it. Here's my new BMS. No, it isn't. This is my spare one. Here's my new BMS. This is the, what is it now? 120 constant, 120 amp constant, 300 amps burst. But apparently I've heard of one bloke in Russia who's actually running 350 amps burst on his, which is going to be perfect for these. So this is only put on here, just these are heat sinks that I've put on the heat sink thing. Anyway, these are going to be mounted somewhere. I think I'm going to have to drill holes so as I can glue it on. I'll get some thermal glue or something, I don't know yet. And that's going to be my BMS. So everything's starting to come together very, very slowly. There is a hell of a lot more I've got to consider with things like, these are the power buttons that I've got. This is the power thing for the BMS, and there's little pieces that I need to get as well that I've got to take off my old one, and I can't use it on the new one. So that's the state of play at the minute. Obviously I've got to get a spot welder because I'm not welding all those, I'm not soldering all those together. Oh, my thumb's gone all funny. My thumbnail keeps breaking because when I took the end of it off, which is now near enough gone. When I took the end of it off, my finger actually, my thumb trapped, and it made the thumbnail go all funny. So it's bloody bent and knackered. Anyway, that's the state of play with version 3. I don't think there's anything else I need at the minute, because I'm still deciding on what to do. These are the parts that I know 100% I'm going to be using. The rest of it's all I'm thinking about everything still. So fingers crossed. Yeah, it's gonna be good. This is a case, not just any case, it's my case. Not your case, my case. Is that in focus? I can't see a thing. Oh God, I hate getting old. This is a box. Oh, it's a case. It's actually, oh, for sake. Bastard. Bloody camera. What's buffering me? Well, why do you get that on the internet? You don't get it on bloody cameras, do you?